In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Roblox background from this boring grey colour to a custom Roblox background. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so let's jump into the video. So the first thing you need to understand is this is only going to work on Google Chrome, so you can go and download Google Chrome if you're not already using it. Once you've downloaded Google Chrome, once you're using it, open a new tab and just type in the Chrome Web Store. That's going to take you to a Google search, and we can then click on the Chrome Web Store. Once you've done that, go and do a simple search for stylish, and it will open a new search here. And we want to click on stylish, customize themes for any website, and then click add to Chrome. Once you've done that, click add extension, and it should then add it to your Google Chrome. Once it's installed, click next here, and it's going to take you to this page here. And here we can do a simple search for Roblox. When searching for Roblox, it's then going to load all of the different styles and backgrounds that you can have on your Roblox game. Once everything loads, you can then go and choose a background. If we scroll down here, you can see there are 120 pages, so there are a lot of different backgrounds you can use. I'm going to use this one here called Roblox Style, so I'm going to click on it here. And then once it loads, we can click on Install Style. And that's all you've got to do on the website. The style has now been installed. Now we can go back to Roblox, we can refresh. And it now has put a style on our Roblox. Now this one isn't exactly the best one you could ever choose, but if you just go and open up your stylish in the extensions here and then go to installed, you can just deactivate it here and we can delete it, and then we can go back to the website and we can go and try and find a new one. So try and find one that you like. That's how you can add a background to Roblox. I hope that video did help you out.